When you are thinking about supply system, it's not just pipes you have to consider. In fact, a supply system includes pipes, joints, and the appropriate equipment and tools. By working with Valsir, you will partner with a single supplier for the realization of the whole system, which has multiple advantages. As far as joints go, Bravopress is the selection of pressing fittings made in technopolymer. Of course, the joint must ensure the same performances of the pipe. Valsir Bravopress joints can be used with all Valsir pipes and are ensured for the same use: transport of hot or cold drinking water, heating, cooling, and industrial applications. Joints are composed by 4 parts. The body is made of PPSU, a plastic polymer with high mechanical and chemical resistance created for aeronautic appliances. The shape of the body has been engineered to enhance the water flow rate. With a very low roughness index, it guarantees low pressure losses. The element that ensures the sealing, called fitting insert, is made by embedding the O-rings on the main body, ensuring the contact between the joint and the pipe. A feature of this installation is a visible dripping in case of incomplete pressing to ease the plumber's job. After assembling the piping, the operator can check the sealing by the system testing required by international standards. Furthermore, the fitting is multi-press, meaning that it is designed to work with different pressing profiles. Using Valsir Bravopress, you can choose between the most common profiles: H, TH, U, C, Vol. This feature made it possible to use the tools you already have. The sleeve. Made of steel, so with a high resistance material, on the sleeve you will find the inspection holes to check the correct insertion of the pipe during installation. The Teflon ring. Another component of the joint is the Teflon ring. While on the metallic joint this component isolates the metallic parts operating as the electric joint, on Bravopress joints the Teflon ring just keeps the sleeve in place. Finally, the O-rings. On Valsir joints you'll always find 2 O-rings on each fitting. Their purpose is to maintain the hydraulic sealing, giving the user a double insurance about the joint's sealing. The material is by choice EPDM, a specific product for drinking water application and with very high performances, far beyond the normal using range. Valsir chose this material to best protect and as a guarantee for our installers and customers. The installation of this product is very easy and fast. It reduces installation costs and cuts risk of wrong installations. As first step, you have to cut the pipe at the current length. Avoid using pipe cutting shears that could ovalize the pipe. Then use the special calibrator to obtain a perfectly round inner circumference of the pipe. Using the silicone oil provided by Valsir, lubricate the inside of the pipe end or the O-rings mounted on the insert to facilitate its introduction into the pipe. Push the fitting over the pipe, checking through the sleeve inspection holes that the pipe has been properly inserted. Using a pressing jaws whose profile is compatible with the fitting you are installing, complete the installation. Bravopress range is very wide. Size go from 16 mm diameter up to 63. Assembling your water supply system, you can meet a lot of problems and sudden obstacles. The wide range of Bravopress figures and accessories helps to fix these problems. The unexpected is always present. Just make sure to have the right joint to fix it. In the Bravopress range, you can choose among more than 100 articles. Behind a perfect water supply system stands a joint in perfect conditions. So, as Valsir, we choose to pack each joint one by one to prevent contamination of dust from the construction site. Furthermore, on each package you'll find the main information about the joint and its placing instructions, which helps you to differentiate one joint from another and prevents wrong installations. As you can imagine, all this advantage affects each actor involved in the supply system lifespan, from the designer to the user. The common goal is a well-done and time-lasting job.